บายไกลสามกีปวนใดเมียนเจ้าเสรีในไงบอนเยอะเจียนน้ำกำทางลอยสาไก่เจ้งสายหายจี
Beautiful. Can you please come on up?
On my muk.
Come on up front.
Come to the front. Okay,
We have
here,
some
right
time. We want to show you off.
Wow.
Yes. What is your name?
Mila.
Mila. Ooh.
Yes.
How about you, beautiful?
Yanara. Yanara.
Inara. Okay, why don't you come
How
from that
about you,
side?
On? What's your name?
Daya.
Daya.
Oh, that sounds familiar.
That sounds familiar.
I know. I know. Can you show me who your mommy is, who taught you so well?
Oh, right
Oh,
there.
that's absolutely wonderful. No wonder I saw her standing there. I'm like, I have a feeling. And then
Yes.
I saw you. I'm like, oh, I must be
Yes.
something. Amazing. Thank you. The next one. Oh, okay. Go ahead.
Okay,
go ahead,
On,
go ahead.
what's your name?
Emma.
Emma. Okay. And you are not last but not least or whatever, but you're beautiful too. So what is your name?
Solida.
Oh, you know, they're cheering so loud for you. I couldn't hear you. What is your name?
Sonita.
Sunita? Sunita. Okay. Everybody, beautiful young children, our future leaders, right? We said the younger
Yes.
women. So give them a hand. All right. Thank you so much. And then why don't you guys, wait, hold on. Why don't you go like this and take a bow? One,
Yeah,
two,
put your hand
three.
together.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. សូមតាក់ដៃជូនគាត់ទាំងអស់គ្នា Oh,
So beautiful.
thank you so much, On. You're gonna do it again next year? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Make your mommy proud. I'm a mommy, so I'm very proud. ម្ដាយឃើញកូនអញ្ចឹងញ៉ាំអត់បិទមាត់ចិត្តទេមែនទេ
បាទ
គេថា
សប្បាយ
From
ចិត្ត
ear to ear. Yeah, I'm a mom, so I know how that feeling. So look at mommy. She's taking your picture.
Thank you.
All right thank you so much
Thank you, Owen.
see you
Thank
again
so
next
much.
year
See you
ជួបគ្នាទៀតចា
Yes.
that way